Hi guys, Brian Johnson here, November 30th, 2018 with Lee Lightning Power Lead System. Just going to show you what it is. I use it to get leads online for my businesses. So I'm going to log in real quick. I'll have my links below in the description. Okay, these are red because I still haven't. I just started. I'm in Lee Lightning right now. I use the Power Lead System mostly just the funnels and backgrounds and share codes. But I will soon have all these green. But you can start for $7 one time and have it for life, the Lee Lightning System. Okay. Companies I promote. I have a few. Web Talk, Lee Lightning, Hercules, Lee Lightning, Power Lead System, Lee Lightning are the same. Now, go to my websites. I'll show you one of my web pages. And these are easy to make, guys. They walk you through the whole process. This is what I like about it. See the nice background. Our website, I've added. You can select a domain for this page. You can make unlimited subdomains with the Power Lead System. Autoresponder, that's what all businesses need online, especially autoresponder. And then the site that I want them to go to, you can put your main company, your corporate URL, anything that you want basically, and put in, if you want, keywords. I didn't, but you can if you want, and just press save changes. See here, I'll put this background in. I like this background, but there's plenty of other backgrounds you can put in. You can add your share codes and put in more. Go to edit text. You can change all this around, whatever you want to do. Change the colors, change the font, etc. And now your web page is online. And let's view it real quick. I'll just put in one of my emails, code, and just continue the tour because I've already received this email campaign. And boom, we're at the Lee Lightning System. Nice video pops up. It's only 7 to join. Just testimonials, everything you need. Guys, feel free to join me. I'll have my links below in the description. Thank you for watching this video, and you have a great day.